sound right. Listen. Sounds fine. Hear that pinging? Don't know what that is. Yeah, so the motor's just, I don't know what the deal is with the motor. Bogged down and quit on us. Or at least wear your life jacket while underway. I mean, you hear that tapping? I mean, you hear it? I don't know what that is. I've never heard that before. So I need some help with that, man. It doesn't even feel like it's getting up to RPMs either, so I don't know. So I'm gonna head back to the house. It's nice and cool out here. A cold front come through, you know. I definitely want you guys who are on the forums and stuff tell me what you think about this motor. Just that loud tap. There's plenty of oil in it. Put about 16 ounces in. That does not look healthy. Something's really wrong. Brand new engine and oil's that black? I don't know. Hope there's no gasoline getting down in there. Again, it's a brand new motor. Takes time for the rings to seat and all that kind of thing. And so it's only the second time we've had it out, and so we're still troubleshooting all that kind of thing. But anyway, that looks like 10-year-old oil or something. And this is literally the second time I've had this engine out. The second time. Maybe the third or fourth time I've even fired the engine, something like that. Something bad wrong. So help me out. What do you think? I don't know. But my goodness, oil that's that black. No, it doesn't smell like, it just smells like just really worn out oil. I don't know, man. That's just not good. A lot of metal shavings down in here. I mean, like a lot. I mean, there's a lot of metal shavings. Something bad wrong in there.